Hi guys, what's up? It's me, Denshi. Today we're gonna be installing Ubuntu 8. It's Linux. Today we will install Linux. It's a free OS like Windows, but free, so you don't have to crack it. So the first thing you have to do to get Linux is you have to go to Google and you have to search Ubuntu latest version 8, and then we're gonna find it. It might take a long time to load the Ubuntu page. Now that I've found it, you have to scroll down and you have to click desktop i386 ISO if your computer is 32-bit, and then download it, or AMD 64 if your computer is 64-bit, although those are kind of expensive and I don't really know anybody who has that, so I'm gonna get i386. After downloading the file of Linux, you need a DVD or CD to burn it on, just like music. So I'm just gonna open my DVD tray. You want to put a DVD in and then close it. It might take a long time to load. You have to click on the ISO and burn it on the disk. Okay, the ISO is downloaded and it's been burned, so you might have to go put it into your computer again. Now what you have to do is turn off your PC. When it turns on and you see American Megatrends, press F8. This is important. And then select your DVD drive on the boot. Okay, so you might get a menu like this, and we're going to select the DVD CD, and here we are in Ubuntu. So you might have a menu like this where you have to select your language. I'm going to select English. So we are going to install Ubuntu. You'll get a loading screen like this when it is loading. This might take a while depending on your DVD drive speed. And here we are in Ubuntu. So you'll get an install page like this and a beautiful wallpaper. We're gonna run through the install. You have to click forward, then select a location. We're going to select I don't know, here, Vatican, sure. We're going to use the USA keyboard, or any keyboard you want to use. I don't know what keyboard you use. And here's the difficult part. We're going to delete all of the files of our Windows XP and put on only Ubuntu, unless you want to do it with a specific partition. So we're going to click forward and just delete everything. Now we have to pick a name. I'm going to call myself Denshi. My password is going to be something secure, and the name, you can name this anything. Now that we've done this, the installation might take a while, so you might want to put on some Limp Bizkit, or any other kind of music which you like. I'm going to listen to Linkin Park and just wait for this to finish, and then I'll come back. Okay, so now it says installation complete and you can restart your computer. Just make sure to take out the DVD when this happens. It will ask you to do it. I'm just going to click the eject button on my DVD drive and it should boot it up. There you go. It says eject the disk. Ejected it. Press enter. Okay, now you might get some weird glitches or things as it loads, but eventually Ubuntu will load up on your computer and you will have a brand new Linux system. It will ask for our username. I put Denshi. Password is my very secure password I set. And here we are in Ubuntu Linux. So as you can see, we have an interface here. It's connected to the internet. Your speakers might not work. It depends on the speakers you use. Let's look at some of the things you can do in Ubuntu. So the first thing it comes with is all the basic stuff you probably have, like Tomboy Notes. You probably heard of Tomboy Notes before. It's a very good notes program. You can start writing notes and stuff. Tomboy Notes. Okay. Then there's also one other thing you can do is it comes with an image editor called GIMP with a creepy fox. What you can do is you can edit images with this. You can create a new image. Okay, here we are. Here's our new image. And we can start drawing stuff. Like for example, I love Limp Bizkit, because I do. That's all well and good. You can also do web browsing with Firefox. It comes with, it has some problems. Yeah, here we are. Ubuntu. Here we are in Ubuntu 8. It even comes with Google search. You can also use Pigeon Internet Messenger, which lets you, you can use your AIM, you can do your AIM chats here, and there's also OpenOffice word processor, which is just like Microsoft Word, where we can start writing our, whatever we need to write. So there's that. Then there's also an audio CD extractor and a program called Brasero. Brasero is really good. You can burn all your audio CDs. I love burning all my CDs and playing them in my car. Yeah, and not to mention all the many different games that Ubuntu comes with. Like this one, you can play solitaire with a big foot over there. You can do things like other games. There's chess, if you want to play chess. So that was my guide on how to install Ubuntu. Just one thing you don't want to do is open this scary program called Terminal. Terminal can mess up your stuff. You can do sudo rm-rf/-- no preserve root, and if you run this command, it actually deletes your system. So